Oh my god.
record time, not the battery time.
And this is Blizzard 2011 Redemption. Travis Bernath, loser number 1. Loser number 2, John Martin. The freaking winners!
Hey.
Yeah. Today, Travis will be doing, what will you be doing?
We're gonna go for a jog.
You're gonna go for a jog. Are you jogging too?
We're gonna jog.
And tell them, the audience, our options for this round, and probably from here on out.
Either run and touch. 3
Touch what?
McReynolds building.
Okay.
We're at Defiance College, by the way. A run and touch and come back. 3 log rolls or 3 snow angels.
What do you want to do?
Let's do the run and back, but be ready for the finale.
Right, we're running?
Okay.
Are we jogging?
Let's jog.
All right.
Frolic.
Okay.
Let's go. And let's do this!
Oh my god.
Look, I'm even adjusting the camera angle.
Just sounds cold out there.
It's actually not that bad.
You're lying. I'm a black man and I feel like
Hey,
I'm a great
this is going on the internet.
Crazy white people we were talking about earlier.
Yeah. I'm not
telling them
digging
not all white
this
people are crazy and now look
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Did we not prove?
We're not all normal.
Prove my point. Prove my point.
Looking good, fellas.
Nice form.
What do you got? What do you got? What are you giving me? Let's go!
Michigan represent, baby. Michigan boys. Let's go. Let's go.
It's gonna be cold.